All right, coverage continues now with meteorologist Michelle Muscatello. The intensity picked up right around 5 o'clock this morning, and for a couple of hours there, Michelle, it was coming down in a pretty good clip.
Yeah, especially northern Rhode Island ended up in a band of intense snow. I'm going to show you that on the radar. Right now, as we look at our North Kingstown camera, improving visibility, just some lingering flurries for some of us. You can even see some breaks in the cloud cover developing now with that fresh snowfall on the ground. Pretty seen looking at our live radar. Not expecting any additional significant accumulations out of these flurries. They'll be tapering off, continuing from west to east this afternoon. This was the band that developed overnight and basically sat from Boston to northwest Rhode Island and down into eastern and southern Connecticut, delivering snow that at times was over rates of 2 or even 3 inches per hour. Very dry and fluffy snow piled up very quickly. So those were the spots that saw the highest snowfall totals in this storm. Now it's pulling away and we're going to see some improving conditions. Here's a look at some of those snowfall totals, and we picked up over a foot of snow in Burrillville, over 11 inches north Smithfield. Providence, last check, about 5.5 inches of snow, 6 in Warwick, and about 6 in the Barrington area. North Attleboro, over 6 inches of snow. Foxborough, Massachusetts, with 10 inches of snow, and even down along the coastline, 4 to 5 inches of snow falling there. New Bedford as well. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast showing that area of low pressure continuing to move away, and the sky's clearing out as it does. So as we head into the late afternoon and evening, just some lingering snow showers across the outer Cape. Rest of the area going to be drying out for this evening and tonight as an area of high pressure builds in behind our storm system, and that's going to bring us clear skies through the day on Saturday. Looking at, again, any additional snowfall through the rest of the afternoon, very light. This is showing less than 1/2 inch of snow out over eastern Massachusetts, and maybe another dusting in Rhode Island. So our threat tracker, we're keeping it elevated for this afternoon and this evening, mainly just because of the lingering effects of a snowstorm like this. You still have some road cleanup to do. There'll be some blowing and drifting snow with some gusts to 25 and 30 miles per hour. And those secondary roads, they still need some time to clean them up. And tonight, some icy patches in the wake of the storm. Visibility is improving, a sign that our snow intensity is easing up. Winds, though, are picking up. These are sustained winds between 10 and 20 miles per hour. Now Providence, Westerly, Newport, and our temperatures sitting just below freezing in the Providence and New Bedford area, and I don't expect it to change much the rest of the day today. Wind chills into the teens. So here's how the afternoon unfolds. Skies clearing out. Temperatures by 6 o'clock in the upper 20s for our wind chill. It's going to be a chilly afternoon, lower 20s, but look at these numbers heading into the night. It stays gusty and wind chills will fall into the single digits. The actual air temperature under that fresh snowpack will drop down to as low as 16 degrees. Looking ahead to the weekend, cold sunshine for Saturday. Highs after starting off our morning in the teens will make it up to about 30 degrees. Winds will be diminishing. A nice winter day to get out and enjoy the snow with the kids. Now Sunday starts off chilly in the morning, but we do have some milder air pushing in as a frontal system approaches. That's going to bring some, looks like mostly rain showers to our area. We do have to watch how quickly that mild air returns. If it's a little delayed, we could see a touch of freezing rain well inland, like we're expecting to see over central and western Massachusetts. So check back in with us over the weekend on that. Signs of some bitter cold air moving in Monday into Tuesday, below average highs. Look at the wind chill for Tuesday morning, 5 to 10 below 0 for most of the area, and the single digit lows expected on Wednesday morning as well. And you can get the updated forecast